long with a game on the line. The Eagles will lose Sunday. I've been saying it on local shows all week. They're not going to beat the Niners.
That was a lot of conviction on 95-7 the game, but will that be the case? We'll find out tomorrow, Sunday afternoon at 1:25 kickoff at the sports desk. Stephen Langford, KCBS.
Trevor was way behind on his IRS taxes.
I was headed way over my head. The total amount ended up being somewhere of just over $30,000. $30,000.
Then the IRS came to collect.
Started getting letter after letter. A lien had been filed against me. They were going to basically hang me completely out to dry.
He had to do something.
That's when I reached out to Optima Tax Relief.
Patrick's life quickly got a lot easier.
It was very easy, pretty much hands off. They picked up the ball and ran with it.
And how'd it go?
I couldn't believe it. I had to ask like 2 or 3 times. I saved an incredible amount of money.
How does Patrick feel about Optima?
Couldn't be happier. It definitely helped me. Optima Tax Relief, the best place to call. They're the best in the business.
Do what Patrick did and call Optima Tax Relief for a free consultation. Call 800-298-3904. 800-298-3904. 800-298-3904. Optima Tax Relief. Testimonial from an actual client. Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
Join us at Odyssey as we all do our one thing. Together millions of things for our planet. If you get a new tablet or cell phone this year, recycle your old one, either by donation or an e-waste program. When we each share our one thing, it becomes a million things for our planet. What's your one thing?
Ready or not, the winter rain is coming. Oh, wait, let's paint. Hi, this is Matt Jesse, president of MD Jesse Painting. This is your chance to beat the rain. We still have room on our fall schedule for your exterior painting project. Call 855-MD Jesse. Thinking about interior painting? Or maybe painting your kitchen cabinets before the holidays? Call 855-MD Jesse for a free estimate. So why wait? Let's paint. Call 855-MD Jesse today.
KCBS traffic and weather together on the 8th, and we're going to head back to the East Bay with Joey. Brake lights you're going to see in Oakland on eastbound Highway 24 after Broadway. Highway 13 northbound in Oakland as you approach Highway 24. Also, stop and go traffic condition. Eastbound 24 after the Caldecott Tunnel in Orinda, the 2 right lanes remain blocked just after Wilder Road. An overturned big rig crash happened before 8 this morning, and the 2 right lanes are still blocked. The big rig's out of lanes. Caltrans is reportedly in the final clearing stages here to the South Bay. San Jose, northbound Highway 87. It's slow at Kerner Avenue to well before Interstate 280. Interstate 280 southbound slow approaching Highway 87. There's road work on the ramp from 280 southbound onto Highway 87. The ramp is closed. If you see anything different than what I just told you, give me a call on the KCBS phone force at 415-391-KCBS. Your next traffic update, 158 on the traffic leader, KCBS. All right, if you're headed up to the mountains, up to Tahoe, looks like they're going to get a little bit more snow in the next 15 or 20 minutes or so, and most of those flurries should end by tomorrow. It's still going to be cold, though. Lows in the 20s tonight and 30s tomorrow morning. It looks like highs only in the upper 30s and lower 40s. Visit Mancini's Sleep World during their year-end clearance event, or you can visit sleepworld.com. Still a little unsettled here in the Bay Area for today with a little mix of clouds and some sunshine trying to poke through. Also a few showers still likely on and off through tonight. Antioch, San Jose, Morgan Hill, right around 60 for a high in San Francisco, and it's going to stay that way tomorrow and Monday. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on KCBS. Holly McDade is at the editor's desk this